Intelligent high-speed edge bending machine. Integral steel body. Frame aging annealing treatment. Large CNC gantry milling machine for finishing. One key lifting of pressure beam. Visual ruler adjustment. Feed stop device. Pre-milling device with air blowing function. Glue coating unit per. Gluing unit EVA. Finishing device. Two sets of finishing can be switched flexibly. Fine repair with blowing function. Edge scraping device. Eliminate the ripple marks caused by edge sealing. End-to-end device. Double guide rails and 3 motors. For knife high-speed profiling tracking device. Arc trimming. The second set of disc-type fine scraping device. Flat scraper device. Polishing with air blowing function. Shanghai Channel Machinery Co. Ltd.